Hello viewers, this is Women Empowerment and Legal Aid, a non-governmental organization that defends the rights of women and of course the less privileged in the society. This program, Know Your Right, is a program we bring to you every week, and this morning we'll be discussing the custody of children under the laws of Nigeria. My name is Funmi Falana. Now, custody, when we talk about custody, we are talking about where do the children go? Who keeps the children? In a case of a broken marriage or where the parents are no longer together. Now, it is very common to hear that the home of the father is the home of the children, and so that the father automatically has the right to the custody of the children in the event of a broken marriage or in the event of the parents not being together. But I want to let you know, viewers, that it is not correct. It is no longer the position under the law. The position of the law is that the best interest of the children of the marriage will be taken into consideration. I am saying the best interest of the children will be a place that is better, who has a better facility, who has the better time, better provisions and facilities to take care of the children, will have the custody of the children. I'm talking about the physical custody. Oh yes, there is again what we call the joint custody. I will get there shortly. So when we have a case of a broken marriage, it is not the case that the father must have the children. The children belong to both the father and the mother. And so the mother has equal access and equal right to the custody of the children, just like the father has. So the court or the law will usually consider who has the time and attention and the care, both mental, financial, and physical facilities to bring up these children in the right environment and the right perspective and under the right education. And if it happens that the children are underage, these are the things the court will consider. But if the children are above 18, the children are old enough to decide where to stay. And so usually the court will look at the job the mother does, the job the father does. Does the job allow them time and attention? Again, I want to let you know that most of the time, the court will, or the laws will allow the father and the mother to have just joint custody. I'm talking about the law now. I'm talking about Matrimonial Causes Act as well as Child's Right Law. Both laws provide that the best interest of the child or of the children of the marriage shall be taken into consideration in deciding who has the custody of the children. So if your husband has taken away your children and has denied you access to those children, it is illegal. It is not the law. The law is that both the mother and the father must have custody, joint custody of the children. Now, in a situation where the mother has enough time, or the children are so underage, or they are female, because the court will also consider the sex of the children, it will be absurd to grant the custody of a 2-year-old girl to the father, because it is not, and it's not going to be possible for the man to have enough care and attention to a girl of 2 years. As a matter of fact, when a girl is also growing up, it is not normal, of course, and not customary for the court to grant the custody of a girl child to the father, because there are some things only the mother can teach a child, especially when she's about to get to the age of puberty. And so I am saying that what the law will usually do in the circumstance is to grant custody of the children to the mother or to the parent that has the better facilities. And the court will now ask the other party to have access. And that's what we mean by joint custody. You will have the other party, while a parent has the physical custody, then the other one will have access to the children. In other words, if they are in school, during the school period, the children may be with a parent, and during holidays, they may decide to go and spend holiday with the other parent. Or we're talking about access, the father or the mother, whoever has the custody, will have the children during the period of the schools, and of course during all the times they have. But there will be a particular time, might be once in a week, once in a month, or once in 6 months. The father will have a time, or the mother will have a time to come and see them at a specified time, period, and place. Of course, I want to also remind you that if the mother has the custody, that does not take away the responsibility of providing for the maintenance by the father, and of course payment of the school fees. Yes, the father has that duty under the law to pay the school fees and of course the maintenance of the children. So if anything happens or comes up within the period the children are with the mother takes up that responsibility. I'm saying if the mother may have to buy dresses, the mother may have to buy food and other things, but there must be a specific amount of money, which we call the maintenance allowance, that the father will be ordered to pay to the woman or to the mother. And of course, there will be the school fees will also be paid by the father, and there will be a particular period or time and space that will be specified for the father to see them. That is in the case the children are with the mother. So the court will always want to grant custody of the growing children, the young children, to the mother, except where the mother has proven to have mental incapacity, or is mentally unstable, or the mother has been irresponsible in the past, or the mother is dead. If these conditions are absent, the court will usually want to grant the custody of the children of the marriage to the mother, because it is assumed, and of course from experience, that the mother will usually be in a better position to take the care of the children of the marriage. So if you are undergoing a situation where your children have been taken away from you, you are a mother, you are out there, and you are deprived of the custody of your children, and you are an able-bodied woman, you have the time, you are mentally balanced, and you are alive, please see us in our office. We will help you to pursue your right to the custody of the children, and we get your children back for you. Remember, the laws of this country, the laws applicable in Nigeria, will usually take the best interest of the children of the marriage to custody. So in the interest of those children, the court will give you back your children. You can always come to our office, number 25, Adekunle Fajuiwe, GRA, Ikeja. If your right is being violated or is likely to be violated, we are here to redress your right for you. Well, our attention this morning is on the custody of the woman, of the children of the marriage. And from experience, we have discovered that traditionally people believe the home of the father is the home of the children. It is not the law. It is not the law. The custody of the children, the right to custody of the children, belongs to both the man and the woman. And the court will usually want to grant the custody of the children that are underage to the woman, except where the woman is mentally imbalanced. So we always say, please feel free to come to our office, number 25, Adekunle Fajuiwe, if you have any issue of the violation of your human rights. Once again, my name is Fumi Falana. I'm the founder of Women Empowerment and Legal Aid, a non-governmental organization. Remember, the right of your girl child is important. The girl child is not inferior to the boy child. Treat them equally. God bless you.